Here I have myPhone Hammer Force, and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. Let's just wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume down. And let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds, so keep holding both keys. Release them as soon as myPhone logo pops up on the screen. And this is the Android system recovery. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power button. Here you have to scroll down to highlight wipe cache partition and press power key to choose it. As you can see, the device is wiping cache and formatting the temporary cache files. It wasn't affect on your personal stuff, so it's just erase the temporary cache files. As soon as Android system recovery pops up, you can press power key to reboot system now, and now the device is restarting and rebooting, so we have to be patient and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Excellent, as you can see, the home screen pops up, so now you may start using your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.